I want to share with you here some video footage of Anak Krakatau erupting this morning. It took out this camera, and you can see that the plume was decent in size. They recently had put these cameras up and installed them on the island, and there's also some earthquake information here, some seismic info to go along with this, but wanted to share this as this Anak Krakatau erupts in Indonesia. Now, I will leave a link below in the description box. Make sure to follow me on Twitter for more breaking news. And also join us over on DLive for exclusive content and live streams that you're only going to find over there. But this has been Dabu7. Much love, y'all.